Several experiments were performed by different scientists to study the structure of an atom. They get different results and they reconsidered the structure of atom and studied again. The plum pudding model was one of the most widely accepted model of an atom all over the world for understanding the structure of an atom. According to Thomson model, atom is uniformly packed spheres of positive minors filled with negatively charged electrons. Ernst Rutherford, one of Thomson's students, disproved the plum pudding model in 1903. In 1911, Ernst Rutherford performed the gold foil experiment to know the structure of an atom in a more accurate way. The set of gold foil experiment. The first one, source of alpha particles. He used source of alpha particles placed in a lead container with a very small slit. The use of small slit means that alpha particles can pass through a small area and travel in a straight line. The question arises here, why he used alpha particles? Actually, alpha particles are heavier and high energy. He used alpha particles because atom is putting off positive charged particles with negative charged electrons embedded in it. So alpha particles can pass in a straight way, so heavier alpha particles will go through in a straight way. The second thing he used was a thin gold foil for the bombardment of alpha particles. The question arises again, as a thin gold foil containing approximately 1000 atoms, which are more convenient. The third and last thing he used was a band, which is a fluorescent screen which helps to detect the radiations, so the screen will glow and emit radiation when alpha particles hit it. So this how the alpha particles can be traced. So now we can understand how the experiment performed. The alpha particles emitted from the element present in this box. These particles directly hit the gold foil. So now what happened? According to the structure of Thomson, atom is the sphere of positive charges with negative electrons embedded in it. So alpha particles will directly pass through the gold foil and hit the screen. And why this happened? Because alpha particles is heavier than positive charge of an atom, so alpha particles will hit the atoms and pass through it directly. Only a small deviation will be accepted. So he was astonished when he get the unexpected results. What result did he get? He suggested that most of the fast moving alpha particles pass through the foil and hit the detector. Some particles deflected and some rebounded. Because of these three kinds of particles, he thought that pudding model is incorrect. From this experiment, he got three kinds of particles: deflected, non-deflected, and rebounded particles. So what were the conclusions will be explained in the next video.